Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing a review on this product from Meguiar's. This is a headlight restoration two-step kit. Purchased this a long time ago from Goodwill actually. I think it was $4 if I remember correctly. It comes with a couple things. I've used it before like 3 years ago, maybe 4 years ago, and it worked perfectly, but I didn't do a video on it. So I'm gonna do, and I used it on these lights still. So these are already been restored one time, so I'm gonna do them one more time. You can see they are yellowish and faded, so I want to restore them. When I did them last time, they turned out to be really great. They worked, they were kind of new. So I'm gonna do that again, and I'll show you this time in a video. So these are the instructions. If you want to pause and read, you can. But basically, you wipe it with this. You can do hand wiping, or if you have something like this. This thing came with this kit that I bought a long time ago also, and I didn't actually use it. I just used that piece from it. So I will attach this to it, and we will, let me open this thing. Let me pause and open it, hold on. Alright, so these are the two pieces included. Step one will be this cleaning solution. You put a quarter size of this onto this pad, and you basically wipe the headlight with it. I already wiped these with a sanitizing wipe, and they are clean. And once we do that, then we are supposed to wipe it and then spray this coating on it. This is step 2, and that is it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, and you can see here I covered the paint, so I didn't want any coating to go on the paint here, so I covered it. Now, I already waxed my car a few days ago, so the tape is not sticking very well, but it should be fine. Okay, and you're supposed to do this in a shade area. So now it's cloudy and it's evening, so I'm just gonna do that. By the way, these instructions are also written on each item here. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to do a hyperlapse video, and then once I finish with that, we will do this video step by step. Alright guys, as you saw in that hyperlapse, this was an easy job. Look how clean they look compared to this is how they were. Right, this is how they were, yellow, faded, and this is how they are now. Crystal clear, just like new. So this Meguiar's restoration kit really works really good. I applied 2 coats of the coat on it, 3 minutes apart, and I will do a third one later, but now we will do this one here. And once I'm finished, I'm going to wash this area of the car just to make sure that coat I sprayed didn't go over here and damage something. So I'm gonna wash it. So I'm gonna do the video here and talk while doing it. All right, here we go. So step 1 is to put a quarter size of this on here. I put more because it seemed like it was drying quickly, so I'm gonna put more, and now I'm gonna brush the headlight. So we'll do this. And now we will start the drill. Okay, I just did the first layer, and it feels like it is drying. I'm gonna do one more, and maybe a note to you guys: if you are planning to do this, don't wax your car because the tape is not sticking. Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna wipe it, and then we'll apply some more. But I think one time is enough. I'm just doing it 2 times. You know, you see it's dry, it's falling here. And it's already looking better. Gonna spray just regular water on it and wipe it with a microfiber cloth. Just so I don't have any dry pieces or particulates on it while I'm cleaning it and it scratches something. So that's why I'm using the microfiber cloth. You can see it's already clean and good actually, but I'm gonna do one more. These papers got wet, so they are very soft. I'm gonna be careful when I get down there. But you can see it's already good. Yeah. Okay, so that is it, and you can see it was splashing everywhere. That's just because it is too liquidy on the pad itself. Okay, so we'll wipe this. put some water on it, or you can make your microfiber cloth wet and then wipe. It's up to you. So all that oxidation is gone, looks like. And the spray coating will make it pop. So we'll do that in just a moment. I'll give it a minute to dry. Yeah. And then once we spray it, it should be cleaner. See some more stuff here. Okay, and it is dry. Now we'll spray step 2. And that is one layer, and we'll give it a few minutes, and then we will do layer 2. I'm gonna go ahead and spray the other side with another layer, and that would be 3 and done. Alright, this is a second coat. That's it, just a quick coat there, and then we will give it a third one in about 3 minutes. Alright, and now is the third coat, and that is it. That is it, guys. I will show you 24 hours later, and we'll go from there. I'm gonna let it sit. It's supposed to be 24-hour curing time, so I'll leave it until tomorrow, and then we'll do another final clip then. Alright guys, so it's been 24 hours and now it is fully cured. You can see it look like new.
This looks like brand new, Daddy.
Yeah, man, I know. Good work, right? Yeah.
Now it was better.
Yeah, it looks better, much better. And this is the second one. Yeah. All right, well, that is it, guys. If you have questions or comments about this, please let me know in the comment section below. If you found this video to be fun and helpful, please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one, and I'll see you all in the next video. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. See you.